Hey everyone, this is Ronnie coming to you here with my video number 64 in the video challenge of the Internet Lifestyle Network video challenge. And as I talked about yesterday, I want to shoot a series of videos here. Actually, it'll be 5 videos where you will be having a little crash course that I call the reprogramming secret. The reason why I want to do that is because most of the time when people start doing a business, they actually put a lot of actions and effort into it, and they get told what they need to do, and sometimes they fail anyway. And most of the time it's because our mindset is not reprogrammed to change our way of making a business or an online business or a home-based business or actually any entrepreneurial business. So this is the first video of the series, and today I'm going to talk about the reprogramming that you need to do to make sure you succeed. So stick around and stay tuned. So as I told you yesterday, it all comes from all the journals and all the notes that I've been taking and got to learn myself over a period of time. And most of the things you learn is not always the things you need to implement, but most of the time you need to pick out a variety of things you want to implement. And this part here is one thing that I implemented and also put so much together that I actually use it to train the teams that I take into my network marketing business. And also, therefore, I want to share it here with you online so you can actually have a peek of how you can reprogram your mindset so you actually create the success you're actually doing, even with the efforts you're already doing. It's based on a training that I got myself about a year ago in Las Vegas, where I actually attended Eric Worre's GoPro Recruiting Mastery. And in that session, he held a session of actually this part about reprogramming your mindset and making sure you succeed. And he also actually stated why actually people usually fail in network marketing and other entrepreneurial businesses. And I want to share this one here with you by just giving you a couple of hints here of what's the content of this training that Eric has. And for all people that join my team, they usually get that training. And I want to share a video with you guys at the end of this session here. So, the first part here is actually this little photo that I'm coming up right here, where I'm going to show you that sometimes you draw a line and you start saying, okay, now I'm in the business and I need to roll out and I need to do some activities. Somebody told me that I need to do some activities, and every time you do activities, everybody knows that when you do activities, you reach results, and that actually end up becoming a lifestyle that you're pursuing. The only thing about just having activities, returning into some results, either can go a curve upwards that actually will give you success, but all the activities and results can even also make a curve that actually curves down, and actually that becomes the failure. That's why some people actually fail. And most of the reasons why the curve goes the failing route is basically because there's something before the line that we actually stroke here. So behind the line there's something else that lies there. And let's have a little peek on that. On this picture here, I can show you that on the other side of the line, it all starts about the attitude. So some of the things that you need to do is you need really to have an attitude set up to get to the right level of your activities. So if you don't have the right attitude, you might even have a problem of having your results coming through the way you want to do it. The other thing is, of course, your thoughts. All the thoughts that you have. Most of the time people knows that the thoughts behind everything is when you actually get into a hole. And in the video tomorrow, I'll cover a bit more about how thoughts, words, feelings, and actions and actually come together to get a breakthrough. So the next video of the session is called Breakthrough. Come tomorrow, so you watch out for that one. But basically, because your thoughts and your attitudes, if they are not right, that might be because of the programming. Actually, your pre-programming that starts at the age of 2, where no matter what lifestyle and the growth you have as a childhood, the childhood learnings that you get actually program you. So that's exactly the same that Eric is talking about in his presentation. If you type an error on a letter and you print it out, and you look at the printout, and that printout error is there, and you try and erase it on the paper, and that paper actually now is erased and is clear and it's okay, and you think you cured the problem. But the situation, if you make a reprint from the computer to that letter still have the same error in there because it comes from the computer. So you need to go back to the computer at a certain time to reprogram it to make the permanent change to where you want to go. So this is what this session is all about. And as Erik is having like an hour on this topic, I cannot cover that in this short video, but I gave you a sneak peek right now. And below somewhere in the link, I'll give you the link to networkersgopro.com, which is my team support page where we have that training included, and I welcome you to watch it there, and you can go and watch it at any time you like. I'll just keep the link and save it. It's a 58-minute presentation, so it takes a while, and in the presentation there's also a few other of the parts of how you transform your reprogram, how you actually do that I'll cover in the next couple of videos here. So you can carry on watching this little series here, this little crash course, and then at the end you can actually fill it up with that extra link from Mr. Erik Warren himself. And I want to shout out just a quick one here to you. If you don't have the book yet, I actually have the pre-copy of Erik Warren's network marketing book, How to Become a Network Marketing Professional. It is a bestseller on Amazon, everybody who knows it. If you go to networkmarketingpro.com, which is Erik's page, most of you know him, but networkmarketingpro.com, I want to reach out here to, as I'm sharing some of Erik's stuff, I want to reach out to him and let you know that you have to go to his page and go and watch his videos, and actually also go out and maybe buy his book if you're interested in learning the 7 skill sets of becoming a network marketing professional. Finally, in conclusion of this little short video, I want to tell you that I really have decided to make a professional attitude, professional change in my life to go out and make sure that I behave professionally when I do the stuff online and when I do the things that I do with my team and how I train people. So I hope you got value out of this one, and this crash course here, of course, is for free. I'm giving everything away, you know, give or get, and if you give whatever you give, things will hopefully come return to you in a positive way, and I look forward to getting in touch with you out there. Up here you can actually subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss anything. You can go to my blog, ronnieguysmore.com, and just check it out. And reach out to me on Facebook if you find me somewhere. I'm actually there. Just type my name and you'll find me. See you on the internet.